Let's make a Father's Day card. First, we're going to open Google Chrome. Now type the following in the top search bar: greetings-cards/holidays/fathers-day. On this website you will see two options, folded and flat. We're going to pick the second option. As you scroll down, you'll see different options for Father's Day cards. You will see some of them are labeled premium. Those are only available for premium customers. I really like this Father's Day card template, so I'm going to click on this option. Click on the Customize button. I want to add a picture of my dad, so I click on the Add Photo section. Now you will see that there are two options, one for computer and one from Facebook. I'm going to choose the computer option to find pictures from my computer. Select the photo you want to use of your dad. Now click on the Open button. I'm not very happy with the position of this photo, so I click on the photo, hold down the left button on my mouse and drag it until I get to the right position. I want to see what else I can do with this photo, so I click on the magic wand tool of the photo section. I see there's a rotate symbol, so I click on it to see how it looks. I see there's a slider here that I can click on to make my image bigger. I see there's different filter options, so I click on each one to see how it changes the photo. I really like the Sophia option, so I click on that one. I'm very happy with this, so I'm going to click Done. I see there's text boxes on the side. I want to change this text, so I click on the text box and change the text. Instead of fun, I think I'm going to call my dad cool. I want to see how this text looks like in a different font. So I click on this option. I see there's Gorget, I'll click on that. I'm not very happy with that, so I click off the options and cancel. I don't think there's enough text on this card. I click on the add text symbol on top. I'm going to say where the card is from, so I'll type in the Richardsons. Now I want to move this text box down to the bottom of my card. So I hover over the edge of the text box, hold down my left button on my mouse, and then drag it down to the bottom of the card. And then I press Done. I feel like flaring it up a bit, so I click on the Add Image/sticker symbol on top. Sign up to our newsletter to stay up to date with all our videos and our specials. We see that there's different types of stickers here. One's for religion, one for babies, one for general. I'm going to click on General. My dad really likes boats, so I click on the boat sticker. I hover over the sticker with my mouse, and then hold down the left button on my mouse and then drag it to a position that I like. I don't really actually like the sticker, so I hover over the image and then I click on the dustbin icon on the corner to remove the sticker. I'm thinking about adding another photo maybe. So again, I click on the Add Sticker icon. I see there's a section that says Add Logo or Photo. I click on that section. I choose the photo I want to add. I hover over the picture, hold down my left button on my mouse, and then drag it to the position where I want it. I hover over the picture. You can hold down your left button on your mouse and click on a corner to make your picture bigger or smaller. I'm happy with the Father's Day card, so I click Next, click Download, and then click Download again. I see the image has been downloaded. I click on the arrow icon. I click on Open in Folder. Now double click on your Father's Day card. And there it is, your Father's Day card. Contact Hard Drive Web Cafe for fast internet, computer repair and printing at 011-425-6771 or support@harddrive.co.za.